All right, good morning, everyone. I got 11:30 here, so I'll go ahead and get started. My name's Nick Lucchetti. I'm a meteorologist here at the Raleigh office, and welcome to the routine weekly briefing here on Monday, January 29th. This briefing will cover the period the 29th here through the this Sunday, February 1st. All right. So overall, it should be a pretty quiet week here over the next 7 days. So as we always do, I'm going to start off here with the upcoming weather pattern. So for today and as we head into most of Tuesday, this area of high pressure here in the upper left panel will sag over us. And with that, we'll basically have really nice conditions, dry weather, near normal temperatures. Today will be a little breezy out there, as you probably have already experienced. But overall, should be pretty nice weather today through most of Tuesday. As we head into Tuesday evening into Wednesday morning, we do have a little clipper system here out in the Midwest that will push over us, and that will actually generate some light rain that'll spread from the northwest to the southeast through Wednesday morning and east of our area by Wednesday afternoon. Overall, the thermal profiles suggest that should be all liquid in nature, so it doesn't look like there's any, for our area, Central North Carolina, any winter precip concerns with that little system. And it doesn't look very impactful either. I'll show you on the next slide how much rain we're forecasting to fall with that. But overall, for our area, looks like it should be mostly entirely liquid in nature. Up in the mountains, they might be able to squeeze out a little snow with that, but for us, should be too warm. So then as we head from Thursday onward, you can see in the lower panel, I have Friday here listed. We should be behind that system, pretty dry, and Wednesday might be a little chillier, but from Thursday onward, we should be near to maybe slightly above normal as we, from temperature perspective, as we get into the weekend period. So that shot of rain after the Tuesday, Wednesday little clipper system appears to be maybe Sunday night into Monday morning. There's a lot of uncertainty with that, but this system down here that's being depicted on this surface map in the Gulf, it might bring some precipitation up into our area. So I'm not going to hit on that right now because there's some uncertainty with that, but come on back on Thursday and we'll have an update on maybe some potential for our next system Sunday into Monday. So this is just the accumulated QPF forecast through the next 5 days, and you can see here of the next 5 days, the main rainmaker here would be that Tuesday night and a Wednesday. But you can see that generally we're looking at anywhere from, if we just look at the total 5 days here in the lower right panel, anywhere from 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch, maybe a little bit higher out in the western Piedmont. So overall, it looks like a pretty low QPF, unimpactful event Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. And with that, we have no severe weather potential in the next 7 days, and we also have no chance for any flash flooding in the next several days. So that's good news. And we got green checkerboard here across the board for any hazards with our experimental hazard weather outlook. So again, quite a quiet period coming up here. So looking a little bit further into the 8 to 14 day range. So these graphics are courtesy of the Climate Prediction Center. We show these every week. On the left panel, we have the 8 to 14 day temperature outlook for the period February 5th through the 11th. And then on the right panel is the precipitation outlook. And you can see that generally speaking, for both of these parameters, it looks like we're looking at near to maybe above normal temperatures, or the chance for above normal temperatures out in the triad, but overall, even that's pretty low. So pretty much near normal temperatures are expected in this period. And then the signal for precipitation looks near normal as well. So nothing interesting in the 8 to 14 day period either. So just a quick summary, and then I could take some questions. Again, today, dry and near normal temperatures pretty much all the way through most of Tuesday night and the Wednesday morning. We'll have some light rain spread across the area, but generally looking at just 1/10 of an inch to maybe 1/4 of an inch expected with that, and that should all be liquid in nature. And then as we approach the weekend, we're looking at mostly dry conditions to slightly above normal temperatures by the weekend. And again, perhaps Sunday night into Monday, we'll have to watch that system as it evolves here. We'll have more details on Thursday for that. And with that, there are no hazardous weather expected at this time. So that's all I have for you all. And you're welcome to ask any questions you want and the time we have remaining here.